සුබ දවසක් යාළුවනි කොහොමද මම පහුගිය දවස් ටිකේ වීඩියෝ ටිකක් කරා අපේ යුරෝප් රටවල් වලට ගිහිල්ලා ඉන්න කට්ටියගේ එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එක. ඉතින් මම හිතනවා ඒ වයින් ඕගොල්ලෝ ලොකු දෙයක් අදහසක් ගන්න නැති කියලා ඉන්න කට්ටියට ගොඩක් වැදගත් වෙන වීඩියෝස් ටිකක් කරේ. ඉතින් අද මාත් එක්ක ඉන්නවා ලංකාවේ කෙනෙක් නෙමෙයි පිලිපින් කෙනෙක්. එයා ඩුබායි නම් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. අද අපි අහලා බලමු එයාගේ කතාව කොහොමද කියලා. So I have my friend Jason.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Jason.
Nice to meet you also, Hassan.
So Jason, can you tell my friend want to know a lot of things about migrate for Europe?
When it comes to procedure,
Yes. Of course.
okay. See, I'm 13 years working in United Arab Emirates in Dubai,
Okay.
and lots of Emirates I've been there as well. But in regards to the process, first of all, I will tell you the story that during 2021, you know, when COVID strike and then job opportunities very less, and it's very dangerous for my career to lose my job. So what I did was, you know, search for an alternative. In Malta, this is the gateway to European Union.
Okay.
So I chose Malta and I tried several ways through agencies. This is the first one that I tried. They will promise you lots of things, which actually I paid for amount of 8,000 dirham.
8,000 dirham you pay for fraud company.
Yeah, and then during the course of the processing of the paper, I did what you call this one, follow-ups, and at the end of the day, I just lost my money.
So that's a good point you talking, because I know United Arab have lot of agencies. So people are going to apply, but most of the agencies are a fraud. Is everyone knows?
Yes, and then they will just ask for your money. They will say that your papers is on process, but actually nothing will happen. I tried also cleaning companies, or what they call this one, agencies here in Malta, such as M Recruitment and all.
Agencies not in the Dubai, yeah.
It's directly here, and I got an offer letter there as well in M Recruitment. But luckily, one of my friends is already here in Malta, wherein he mentioned to me that I apply directly on the website because that time they are currently looking for people.
I have a small problem. When you apply Dubai to here, in here agency, and you apply for here direct also.
Yes.
So what's the difference of that two? What's the benefit difference or anything? Can explain about that?
Working with my colleague right now, which is working under agency. Under agency, there's percentage wherein they will be cutting on their salary. So it means that compared to the person who is full-time basis on this company, and then the person who is working on an agency, the salary is higher, and then like right now we're in occupancy is very less. Most of the time those people who which is not in full-time are not coming for ship.
So can you tell when you apply for here online direct? So what's the next
I
procedure?
submitted my CV around December, and January I received an email for an online interview through Skype. Okay, the manager did the interview to me, and then after a week I received an offer letter. Okay, upon receiving the offer letter together with the other documentation, I finished those in just one day and submitted back to HR. Okay, then after a week the HR sent me a link wherein I will pay through online for the work permit.
So how much you paid?
I paid 280 euro.
That is the correct amount.
That is the correct amount.
So any agency is asking to work permit fee like a 1,000, 2,000 is not. This amount is 280 euro.
After I pay that through online, you have to use your credit card or your banking card.
Okay.
The process will take at least one to 2 months maximum. Okay. Once you're receiving the approval letter, okay, then you have to book for VFS.
VFS.
There are two locations in
Dubai,
United Arab Emirates, and in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, it is in World Trade Center, and in Dubai, it's in Al Wafi Mall. When you're booking for appointment, it will cost you 126 dirham. Go to the appointment, you have to bring the contract, the lease agreement of the accommodation that you will be staying here, the documentation that HR provided, then the certification that your company is allowing you to go for a BFS. And you have to pay for insurance, which will be cost around 600 dirham. And second thing, once you submitted all the documents, you have to wait for at least a week. Then you will receive your passport, and you can book your ticket. See, also during the application for your BFS, you have to provide a ticket of two-way, going there and coming back. Usually you can go to a travel agency and then they will book for you for one ticket going and then one will be done.
Dummy ticket. So I clear all the thing what you saying. So but I have a small question. What's the difference of this people working Middle East and Europe? What's the benefit?
First of all, environment. You know, the weather here is much better compared to the Arab countries. Second thing, when it comes to financial benefits, the salary here compared to United Arab Emirates is much better, double or triple the salary that you're earning there. Third is the working flexibility. You will just work here for 8 hours. Exceeding from 8 hours will be overtime, and every week you will be having 2 days off.
Bonus also?
And government bonus every 3 months. I think the most beneficial of all is the perks wherein you can travel to all European Union countries. They can explore the whole European country. Like me right now, I'm 6 months here, and then currently I already visited 6 countries.
Really?
Paris, Italy, Rome, Milan, Switzerland, and of course this Malta.
People asking about this Europass, CV and cover letter like these things.
First of all, your curriculum vitae or CV are same with almost the same with Europass. And then if you wanted to have a Europass, you can apply it online. There are websites wherein just submit your CV and then it will automatically transfer to Europass format.
So that is the problem. The people all this time apply by online, but they're not getting this chance, no? So what can you tell about these people to online apply and how to get this thing?
First of all, my advice is, rejection always happen. They have to just try and try. They will not stick in one company. They will go and then search for another company and then try to go to their website, check the career, what is open, what is hiring, and then apply for those companies. But remember, make their CV very nice and pleasing to the human resource or HR, and then probability of getting hired is high.
Okay, so today I got lot of information. So thank you so much, Jason. You give great advice for my friends and your friend and whoever watching my YouTube channel, Euro Sri Lanka YouTube channel. So they can listen this video and watch this video and get some ideas how to apply Europe job and how to enter the Schengen. So thank you so much, Jason.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you.